Machielo warango kan duol mariwo wi Uganda motis kanyo ni National Cohesion and Integration Commission NCIC noluongo e apis margi josiasa moko ariyo mae kaunti ma Tana River mar duoko penjo ewi tulo ma osebedo e kind Uganda ma Tana River kod kaunti ma Kitui ma wachore kanyo nyaka sani koro gine magisebedo ka gisiayo. Romono noyuore gi commissioner mar duolno mano Danvas Makori kod commissioner ma kaunti ma Kitui Kipchumba Ruto negeto romono negeto mar kelo kwe kinde mag Oganda ariyogo kendo tieko tulo ma osebedo ka nie kinde ogennigo. Tulo osebedo kanyo kantiere kendo lal mar ngima kod kethruok mag tesendo bila mano ger manyien bendo senenre kanyo kinde moko.
Sleeping on the job. We have not slept on the job. We are balancing human life. And because askari wangesukumwa wangepiga risasi. If they were injured, wangepiga risasi. Na askari wangepiga raia. Na raia ingekuwa ni story ingine. But we are very happy today. The NCIC has come here under the leadership of Makori and to assist us to investigate on a fact-finding mission.
There has been tensions rising between the counties of Tana River and Kitui. As you've heard, we've had lives lost, sadly lives lost. So first of all, is to condole the families that have lost their lives on both sides of this conflict, which is totally unnecessary that we've lost such lives. Now, mine first of all is to appeal to both residents, Wakenya wote, wanaishi Kitui ama wanaishi Tana River, to appeal first of all for calmness, because maisha kipotea, you will not itarudi, as we format and plan for a response which will enumerate in a few minutes. Secondly is to appeal to the leaders. Leadership responsibility is not to incite your people here, those who you represent, that's what I mean, to break the law or to even take lives.